Hello, everyone. My name is Alex Smith, and I'm team leader for the TDOT Monroe Sweetwater Creek Bridge Replacement Senior Design Project. Our design team is comprised of 7 undergrads at the University of Tennessee, Knoxville, studying civil and environmental engineering. Together, we make up Rocky Road Engineering. Our project client was the Tennessee Department of Transportation. Our project site was located on State Route 2 in Sweetwater, Tennessee, Monroe County, specifically the bridge over Sweetwater Creek, pictured here. Our project needs included replacing the failing bridge. As you can see here, there's lots of signs of deterioration, and it failed its last bridge inspection by TDOT. The community population was increasing, and there's no safe means for pedestrian access on the existing structure, so we had to upgrade it as well. And there's also no drainage management along the project site. As you can see here, there's lots of ponding water, a lot of non-forest services. And then State Route 2 serves as an official detour route for I-75, so 2 lanes of traffic had to be maintained throughout the entire construction process. To deal with these issues, we designed a new bridge structure and foundation according to the AASHTO LRFD manual for bridge design. And then we also added a new 2-way left turn lane to the bridge structure and a multi-use shared path on one side for pedestrian access. And then we also realigned the roadway to accommodate the widened bridge according to TDOT and AASHTO standards. And we created a new drainage system to help manage stormwater runoff along the project corridor. And then finally, we created a phased construction plan to ensure that 2 lanes of State Route 2, our official detour route for I-75, remained open throughout the entire construction process.
The project team faced many challenges throughout our senior design project this semester. One of these challenges included the design of our pre-stressed concrete box beams, along with learning new software such as Leap Concrete Bridge, Open Roads, and MicroStation. Of course, along with these challenges came positive outcomes for our clients. We were able to deliver a more cost-effective design because of our pre-stressed concrete box beams. These use considerably less material than regular reinforced concrete, allowing our client, TDOT, to put money elsewhere in the project. Additionally, we did all of our drafting work in Open Roads and MicroStation, which are the programs that our client uses on a daily basis. Because of this, we were able to merge our files with theirs easily throughout the course of the semester.
My senior design experience has prepared me for communication between multiple parties and has taught me how to learn independently. I have gained valuable experience in learning unfamiliar software and navigating professional communication.